welcome to another video. We are heading out to a Downshift car meet. We're just getting the, what is it called, JZX90 cleaned up. Saw yesterday's vlog, we're mucking around with a bunch of car stuff. Adam's Evo's outside now, and 180, blah, blah, blah. But we're gonna get this thing schmicked up. I'm gonna jump into a time lapse. All right, she's somewhat clean. I know I definitely have issues with, I'm waiting for a new front quarter panel for this side. So the paint on that one is bad. The paint on the rest of the car is actually bad anyway, so it doesn't really matter. But at least it's clean. The main thing I'm like concerned about, here, this one's better, Russ. This one's new. Or is that one a better quality one probably?
This is my wireless one.
Oh, yeah, that is a better one. But the main thing I'm concerned about is my roof looks super cool when it's clean. So if my roof looks good, then I'm happy. Because it's the only part of my car that doesn't have shit paint, and that's because the shit paint is covered with glittery wrap, which is, whoa, I nearly fell. See? So pumped on that. All right, I'm gonna go clean myself. By that I mean have a shower, and then pretty much get ready to head out to this meet. Downshift, let's do it. All right guys, we're heading out to the meet now. Me and Russ. I just gotta remember I got a front lip on this car now. I just drove down the driveway. Huh?
You and Russ?
Well,
oh,
the fam.
I guess me and the kids aren't here then.
Well, I'm just talking car wise.
Let's go.
Hey, if you're in the car, fix that lock. Yes.
Fix the door.
Yeah, I know, I need to, but yeah, we're gonna crack into some rolling shots on the highway and stuff, guys, and then see you guys at the meet. Bossy, what did you say that car was?
Crash.
Crashed? I don't think it's crashed. I think he's painted it. No, he said crashed.
It was broken.
He said it looks crashed. It's just different colours.
That does not look crashed. It looks painted.
Yeah? Do you reckon it's crashed?
Yeah. It's gonna get crashed in a minute.
He said it's going to get crashed in a minute. Alright, we are here at Downshift. Before everybody else is here, setting up with the builds guys. As you guys know, or if you're new, you might not know, there's a thing called builds, and basically it's like an app that you can connect like a NFC sticker or whatever to your car, and basically you get your phone and you can basically tap it on this sticker and it'll tell you everything you need to know about the car. So pretty cool, definitely a cool thing. A few cars here, pretty stoked to see some of my stuff here. Which one's your favourite, bud? You like the 31?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
There you go, he likes the 31.
Oh, sounds
Is it because the doors go up? Yeah? The doors go up.
You can have a go at them if you want.
Huh?
You can have a go.
Do you want to see if you can make the big doors work? Go on. Go here, give me your choice. There you go. You go try and see if you can make the door work.
Now out and then up.
So you pull it towards you. Yep. And then go up. Yeah, up. Whoa, whoa. How cool is that? Cool?
Yeah. Cool.
Where are the turbos on this one? Can you point out where the turbos are?
Right there.
Yeah, where's the other one?
On that side.
Good boy.
The foot connector.
Yeah. What have you found?
My old 8.6.
So if you're new to the channel, we used to have a two-tone Truno 8.6 and Tiana wanted to ruin it and put 11 front on it, so I sold it.
Ruining it.
It's ruining it.
Better.
No, ruining.
And we sold it to do Drift Week. And Drift Week didn't even cost half of what we sold it for.
That is a good point. You recognise it, Bossy?
Yeah.
You recognise it?
I have no recognizing.
This is the car that used to be in our shed. It's Mummy's old 8.6. It just used to be silver and they put some pink in it now.
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
They
How are you
made
guys?
it cooler. They made all the crash cars pieces cooler.
They did. They fixed Mummy's car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still has a Truno front. They didn't fix it completely.
No, that is good. Leave trim. Alright, so you're coming to a meet. Be careful, don't get crashed into. Massive crash just outside of the Downshift meet, not ideal. Alright, so we're leaving the meet now. Gonna head out for a ramen run. Get a highway.
No, we're going to get
Other cars, sushi and ramen, okay?
Yes.
Alright, that's what we're doing. Need that song. Super coming up the road. It's one of us! It is actually. Whoa, what is that?
Motorbike.
Motorbike. All right, so we're here. Where are we?
Sunnybank.
Sunnybank Plaza place, looking for
Some sort of food.
meagering, not meagering, bloody
Ramen.
ramen scar.
No.
What do you want? Sushi.
Sushi.